Hi, this is Cheyenne with the Business Master Suite. So here is what you get with your free 30-day trial. So when you first get logged into your account, you will be brought to a launchpad. You can choose to follow these steps one by one. It'll give you the step-by-step how to do it. So you create a new contact, you can hit play and watch the tutorial, or you can head over to the dashboard and you can watch these videos that we have established for you guys. We're adding more and more videos each day, and we update this frequently, so it'll automatically update in your account. So it'll show you how to get started, the lead connector apps, setting up your business profile, and all of this. You'll also receive an email that has this first video in here because it shows you how to log in as well. But in case you need to refer back to it, we always keep it here for you. And then down at the bottom, you'll have the upgrade and adjusting your billing options. Make sure when you do get into your account that you do add a card, and this is for you to be able to send emails, text messages, and things like that, which is shown in your setting up your business profile and inside of your videos here. And then in conversations, this is where you can manage all incoming and outgoing messages and emails and texts and DMs and all that good stuff. In your calendars, you have a choice of whichever calendars that you want. Of course, there's no calendars in there when you get started because we want you to be able to customize it based on your specific needs, and it will walk you through step by step how to do that. And then inside of, let's go to marketing. So in your social planner, you can attach any of these social media platforms that you would like, and then you can choose any of these. And then if you go to emails, if you want to do email campaigns and email marketing, you can go to create campaign and you can select email marketing templates. There are tons of templates in here that you can choose from based on your specific needs and your industry. So I usually recommend just going to the search bar and searching your industry. Let's just choose plumbing. And then you have tons of plumbing email templates in here for you to choose from. Okay. Then you have snippets that you can choose. These are if you send a repetitive message back and forth. This is one that we have in here automatically, which we do add as we create snippets that multiple clients use. We usually slip it in here for you guys to use as well. And it's normally generic snippets like applications, things like that. And then this one is for like a review. Let me show you what it looks like. It says review. Hi, we'd love your feedback on your recent and whatever product service that they use, experience, have here to share. And then you can add more snippets in here as you'd like and create your folders for your snippets to easily be found. Then you have countdown timers that you can edit yourself and create in here. And you also have a brand ambassador manager. So if you have like an affiliate program, things like that, that can go in here. Your brand boards, ad manager, all that good stuff. Then you have your automations. We will be putting more and more automations in here as we go. Right now you have an SMS template and a spam template for spam calls. So whenever someone calls you and they are, spam, obviously, it'll automatically do these things for you. You'll just have to click to get them activated and published. You can look at them and, adjust them how you would like, or you can upgrade to on-demand services and we can do things for you as well. And then in sites you have funnel templates that you can choose from. Funnels are for CTAs, sales, things like that. You have funnel templates here. And then you have your website templates that you can choose from in here. Go to new website and your templates are in here. If you have an online store, you can create a store and it'll give you the step-by-step on creating a store right here. And there are templates also inside the stores that you can choose from. If you have webinars, you can also add your webinars in here, and you can do an on-demand or a live webinar, and it'll walk you through step-by-step what you need to do. You can create a blog channel and blog pages inside of here. It does connect with WordPress, so you can choose to add a WordPress site if you'd like. And if you resell websites, things like that, you can also do that. And then your client portal. This is where it's a community page that you guys can use here. You've got forms, surveys, quizzes, a chat widget, and QR codes as well. Memberships, this is where you have your, like I just mentioned, your client portal. You can edit it, create yourself a branded mobile app if you want. And then you have courses where you can create courses. Those are created under products. Once you get in there, it'll be blank, but you can create a product and start from scratch. And you have all of these different options, and it will walk you through step by step what to do in here. So I just selected the sprint course, so it actually gives you step by step how to get started. So I just clicked on that first one that says welcome aboard. This is where you can upload audio or video, and it literally gives you the blueprint here. And then inside of communities, you can create community groups, and you can make them private or public, and you can create different community groups in here. What I love about the community groups is that it actually allows you to, like, whenever you post, whoever's in the community group, they will get an email with an update on those posts. And you can also send newsletters automatically with updates on who's posted, what activity is going on in there, to all the members in the group. So I really love that. And then you can, for the courses, you can give out credentials and issue certificates and badges. And then we have a Go Collab marketplace, which is what our groups and courses are attached to, and you get access to all of it. Then you have a media storage that you can tie to your Google Drive, and this is where you can store all of your media, all of your social media posts, things like that. We have a reputation manager in here that automatically, if you want to, automatically respond to any kind of reviews that you get on social media or Google. And then we have a full reporting dashboard. So you can also see your reporting in your dashboard if you want to create one. But inside of the reporting options in here, I'm moving a little too fast, sorry. So inside here you have custom reports, Google Ads report, Facebook Ads report, attribution report, call report, agent report, appointment report, and audit report. So tons of reports that you can look at for your internal team and your organization or business. And then we do have an additional app marketplace as well that you can explore. So I hope you enjoyed this longer demo. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Just dial 919-805-3958 and one of our customer service representatives would love to help you. Thanks for watching.
Like, subscribe, and follow today. Business Master Suite will show you the way. One suite, one solution, unlimited growth. Building your business from coast to coast.